My first time to touch a Cybertruck.
Oh no.
Oh my God, so who bought it? It's right off Mad Max. That's a pickup truck?
Okay, today is going to be a fun day. I'm going to see a couple of my friends and show them the Cybertruck. They already know that I bought it, but they haven't seen it in person yet. And I'm telling you, in person, it's a completely different thing, because when you see it, remember the movie Aliens?
He just too bad.
And the tanks that they used to move around the colonists' base. So that. I'm curious what they will say. So a little funny video, and then we walk around the Cybertruck and see what is the quality looking like for the latest Cybertrucks and stuff like that. So some fun stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm driving my Cybertruck right now and suddenly I hear some creaking sound. And I'm like, oh my god. And I stopped and I started checking the panels and everything. It's kind of like, oh no. And then I just figured out that it's a pen that I forgot in my central console from the delivery, the Tesla pen. And it's like making a pretty similar to creaking sound. And I was like, okay. And now it's quiet again. I just moved it around. Yeah.
Oh, wow. My first time to touch a Cybertruck.
It's
May
fine.
I?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
That's sweet. Oh, look, it's got hydraulic struts.
Yeah, it's quite big.
That's cool. Lift it manually, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's light.
It is lightweight, yeah.
Are these wireless chargers?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Did it come with these mats?
Yeah, because it's a foundation series.
Yeah.
And this is space behind myself, so I'm sitting comfortably on this seat.
Yeah. Tons of room.
It's tons of room, man. The frunk test. Can you open the frunk? You can do it by yourself. Yes.
Okay, yeah.
He saw some videos.
Isn't there something you want there? Oh,
Yeah.
got it.
There you go.
Cool.
What do you think about the size, by the way? Because, again,
Well, it's probably, in terms of volume, it's probably bigger. Than
that's
the
what I'm
wide.
saying.
Yeah, it probably
It's just
is.
wider, but
Yeah, it's wider and shallow.
and shallow, yeah.
Yeah, but you can still, you can find a small cooler to, I use mine for, on a road trip, that's where all the food goes, in a cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that with this one. Sweet.
Yeah.
Does it go down on its own?
Yeah, sure. Oh, wow, by the way, it's interesting. I didn't test that button before. I tested just the button inside.
Oh, there's one inside?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, it
Your fingers get used to it.
Yeah,
kind
it
of.
takes some time to get used to it.
Oh,
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah. It's like if you got some
you get-
midget inside and he's trying, like small people, problem.
So you won't be able to kidnap people and put them in there. They'll be able to get out.
Like little ones, yeah.
I like the wheel covers. I like the wheels.
Oh, yeah. People take pictures around. All right,
All right.
ready? Okay, you know about the steer-by-wire feature, right?
I do.
Okay, that's good.
I know all about this car. Yeah, the steering is,
It's sharp.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it, in fact. I love it, man.
I got used to it almost right away.
Yeah.
I just drove maybe a couple of kilometers and
Honestly, it feels like I've been driving it for months. I'm used to it already,
Yeah.
I could imagine you could probably, some drivers wouldn't even know. If you didn't tell them, they probably wouldn't even know. It seems it's natural.
Okay, first impression, say something.
Oh yeah, it's much longer than I thought it was going to be.
Taller too.
Taller too, yeah.
Actually, the height isn't. I thought it would be a little bit taller.
What do you think about the look? Like first things that you think when you see it in person?
I like it.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's pretty unique. Just checking, doing what I do for a living, examining vehicles and stuff, all the body lines. What's the range, by the way?
It's over 500 kilometers, 510-ish.
That's pretty good.
Is he gonna wrap it or?
No, I like the idea of the naked vehicle
Oh yeah.
because it should be indestructible, right? And if I wrap it, it's pretty much the same as a paint, so I will be like, okay, will I scratch it or not? And
How are you gonna deal with these fingerprints?
I'll keep them, I think.
What's this over here?
Where?
What is this section right here?
It's a charging port, I bet. Yeah.
Is
just
that where it's at?
yeah, just pressed.
Oh, really?
Like
Oh, from
here.
the bottom?
Yeah,
From
yeah.
over here? Okay.
Yeah. No, it's like should. Yeah.
It doesn't even look real. How many EUCs can it hold?
I would say 545 small ones.
Love it. Oh my God. So who bought it?
Yeah, I bought it.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Actually, you would think it would be you, because the two friends would be filming. Did you see that thing on was it on Instagram where it was in California, I think, and Ferrari was racing one of these, and this thing beat the
Oh,
Ferrari.
yeah, it's quick. Yes.
It was quite fun.
Yeah.
It wasn't like staged. It was like.
It was like street racing, illegal one, I believe, but yeah.
Can I just peek at the front?
Yeah, sure.
I can?
Yeah, you can.
Oh well, you can't get in.
How?
You take your finger.
Yeah. I'll open up. Yeah.
How heavy is it?
I don't know. I didn't
Just
wait.
get it today?
On the 6th. Yeah.
There's nothing here. It's all automatic, like technologically sophisticated. And there's no buttons or anything.
Just all here
Yeah.
on the dash, on the screen.
It's funny
Yeah.
to have that little river
It's like
here.
an iPhone, basically.
Well,
like it's like yeah.
Except this can. How far can you go? It's electric.
Over 500 kilometers.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
This is a design. This is like, look at it. Like, it's right out of Mad Max, isn't it?
This thing is bulletproof, by the way.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Isn't that the Joe Rogan
Yeah.
experiment? Only
Yeah.
they were using his
Bow and arrow, yeah.
And did they repel or did they go in? I can't
Oh no,
remember.
dust off. Yeah.
Yeah. So he was like quite impressed with its. I hope no one wants you.
But you're gonna have
Thank you. Take care. Thank you.
How do you open the doors?
You see the spots over there, like the LED spots. Yeah, just pressed. You can open it 90 degrees, I believe, like this.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Is this what you say is about the same length as a pickup truck?
F-150, yeah.
Yeah, same length.
Same length, yeah. Not quite sure about either it's taller because of the suspension, because right now this is, I believe it's medium height.
Yeah.
It can be, well, taller, and the tallest is 17 inches from the ground.
And what is it, air?
Yeah. You brought more people.
See, there's a pickup truck.
Is it terrible?
That's a pickup truck?
Yes.
How does it charge the wheels? How do we charge the wheels?
I'll
on
show
our
you.
journeys this summer.
Easy, man. We charge it easy because we have everything we need for
Is that what that
for
is?
EUCs
No
here.
way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So
What's underneath all that as well? There's something going on here. Oh. That's pretty nice.
it's pretty decent space. And by the way, check this out. The weight. I just want you to feel the weight of this thing.
The weight of it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's impressive.
Yeah, it's pretty
And it has
lightweight.
like some sort of resistance, so it has like some sort of a, and it's lighter because it's using less materials inside. Whereas
Yeah.
your conventional tailgate
This
is
as well,
full of
yeah.
a whole lot of rods and materials and,
Yeah.
and whatnot inside. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. It's almost like its dimensions and how it's designed is deceiving to what it really is.
It's different. It's
Yeah,
different because
it is.
you know what is the size of a regular pickup truck, right?
Right.
For this one, it's kind of no way you can have a reference to something like this in real life. So you don't know what the real size of this thing is. But in real life, it looks like a freaking tank. And yes, it gets a lot of attention, at least now, at least in Canada. People who are interested are visibly curious. I saw many people taking pictures around the truck, but hey, it's new, I get it. And heck, even this deer is interested. So I do understand it. But maybe it's because it is Canada. Thank you for your time.